Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign up US Bank online banking account. So if you want to sign up US Bank online banking account, first of all you have to open up a browser. So you can use any browser you like, and after opening your browser, search for www.usbanking.com, and after searching for that you can find US Bank link. Just tap on the first link. And after tapping on that link, now you have to tap on the login option on the top right. So after tapping on login, you can see you have the login page. So if you have an account, just choose account type, username, and then enter your password, and then tap on login. So if you don't have an account, just tap on create username and password. Now you have to enter your card and account number, and then you have to enter your last 4 digits of your social security number. If you don't have your social security number, just tap on I don't have a social security number. So after tapping on I don't have a social security number, you just have to enter your card account number and then your date of birth. And after entering your details, tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, you will enter to a page where you should create your username, enter your email address and password, verify everything that needs to be verified, and then you can enroll into your US Bank mobile banking account. So that is how you can easily sign up to your US online banking account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.